Picture Editor, Cutout tool. Learn how to modify the background and canvas of an image. Color adjustments. Browse the detailed color preferences menu. Various transformations. Watch what you can do with a picture using our tools. In the following, you will see how to use the Picture Editor app. You can drag and drop images from other mozaBook apps for editing. Click here to open the Editing Tools menu. To delete the background of an image, select the Cutout tool. Click and hold the area you wish to remove, then drag outwards to set the tolerance level. To delete confined areas, select this function first. Select the appropriate background for your image. Use the Crop tool to change the size of the canvas. Drag the editing points to select the area of the image you wish to retain. Choose the aspect ratio for your image. There are various options to choose from. Select this icon to crop the image automatically. Click on this icon to confirm changes you have made. Open Color Options, where you can correct hue, brightness, and contrast. Use the slider to adjust the brightness of the image. And click here to set contrast. Use this icon if you wish to restore default values. Click here to adjust color channels, hue, and saturation. Click on this icon to open filter options. Use the slider to sharpen the image. Use this icon to insert the content of the canvas into mozaBook. Click on this icon if you wish to flip the image horizontally. Click on this one to flip the image vertically. By clicking here, you access rotation options. Use the slider to set the angle of rotation. Click here to adjust the canvas to the size of the image. By clicking on this icon, you can access resizing options. There are several sizes to choose from. Drag the edges of the frame to resize manually. Click here to resize the image while keeping the aspect ratio. Please visit our website for further information about our apps. Thank you for watching.